Whoa, 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 whoa. Rising of that Safe Tran bill. I think the Australian type Safe Tran bill. Dude, it is rocking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The apartment's done for. There's stuff falling off of the apartment building. The light's flickering. Oh no. The third floor's gonna come off. Woo. Oh my god. Dude. Yeah. Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Dude. The entire building. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. What the heck? The outlet just went dead. My weather. Oh my. Dude. I think we just had a. Whoa, there's an unsettling noise. Elvis, get out of the blinds. Who are you? You okay, door? You okay at the door? Or just ran into the door. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 no. This is unsettling, guys. Oh my god. Did you hear all? Dude. Oh my god. Oh my. What the heck? Did you hear that? That sounded like the entire third floor. Oh my. Dude. There is insulation on our deck. There's metal siding flung everywhere. The pool is dark. There is stuff floating in the pool. There's stuff everywhere. There's plaster everywhere. Oh my. The trees have gotten destroyed. There's piles of debris out there. Oh my god. Dude. Whatever that was. I hope that was not the summer storm. God. I hear water. Huh. There's no rain. Oh. I hear the bell. I hear fire alarm bells. The fire alarm's going off.